All right, no AC. It's out here last year. Hello.
Hello.
Here for the AC.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing? Hanging in there?
Yeah.
So what's going on with it today?
The blade of the fan's not running outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I gotta go to your neighbor's house too.
He talked about that one being doing the same thing last week.
Yeah, the salesman down at Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's coming up here right now because I just left the dealership.
Oh, okay.
so he was scheduled for tomorrow. I'm like, no, I'm going up to your neighbor's house.
He
So
told me today.
I don't know. I thought he said tomorrow. Okay, let me get to the thermostat here, and then we'll get you taken care of.
Okay. He's on his way home right now.
Yeah,
He is home.
let me check your filter.
Oh.
Make sure everything's good here. All right, let me go out back and see what's going on, sir.
Okay.
Take your time. Take your time.
We'll open the door for you.
Sure. Okay. Neighbor's got the same issue. Thing won't come on, so I think we got some capacitor issues. This is the one last year where the surge protector was blown out. Right there. Back is hurting today. Let's see, contactors pulled in. Oops, wrong setting. Capacitor is still good. Let's see, do I have any shorts to ground? Shorts to ground. Let's see, do I have power at my disconnect? $250. We got some power here. Let's see, are my fuses good? And that would be no. Oh. What's my rating? 25. Let me get some 25s. Alright, I found this side loose. When I put the fuse in, it just fell right out. So I think that's why that fuse blew. It hit a loose connection. Resistance. Let's see. Oh, let's see. I don't know, I threw it in and it didn't do anything. Let's see if my fuses are still good. Yeah, that's what happened. There we go. That's what happened. Do it for this one. Let's go to the neighbor's house, see what he's got going on. Old fuses. I replace fuses 2 at a time. Oh, he's already closing the windows, man. Gonna be a 2-for-1. Alright, let's walk over here. This one?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
It's old.
It's old.
It still like this cool air. The fan on top doesn't run.
Yeah, that's a Diesel Pete's. That's an old heat controller, I think. Yeah. Yeah, he had blown fuses next door.
But it's since the compressor's running, I'm thinking it's not, because like
yeah, it's probably the capacitor.
You know, and when I first turned it on, the fan didn't turn on. I thought, well, maybe it only turns on when it needs to. Yeah, I found out that wasn't true.
Yeah, no.
Larry said that. He goes, "No, I should be running all the time." I said, "Oh, great."
That's got a bad fuse.
Well,
that one's bad. So
when,
let me.
And I'm probably not going to. I really don't want to go this summer. Next summer will be fine if I got to replace it then.
Yeah, you got
but
voltage.
my furnace is just as old, so I mean.
Oh yeah, you definitely do.
Yeah. See, so am I talking? I'm probably talking. I bet 10 grand doesn't.
Oh, I don't know. Not that much. No.
15?
No. Well, it depends on how much you want to spend, you know?
Yeah. Right now, I don't want to spend anything.
Well, that's, yeah, I mean, that's understandable.
By the same token, well, I know it's going to have to be done eventually, and I'm here for the duration. I'm in a home, so.
Oh, crap. I think I left my screwdriver over on the roof. I think that's where I had it.
Left over at Larry's house?
No, I left it over on the dealership roof.
Oh. I'm up there and get it. That sucks.
Oh, jeez. Holy smokes, this thing's never been open.
I can believe that.
Let's see what we got going on. I mean, it's definitely vintage, but it looks pretty decent in there.
Wow.
Let's see. Motor still spins.
I figured it was original to the house.
Oh, you betcha. Let's see.
Well, that two stops at once. That's double dipping. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's kind of a bonus.
You'll have to come back tomorrow.
Ooh. Let's see what we got here. You said the compressor was running and the fan wasn't?
Yeah, I think I thought the compressor was blowing cool air. I mean, the air was definitely cold. It wasn't warm air.
Ooh.
But, yeah, that's
Ooh.
a good sign.
Well, you want to go turn it on inside?
Okay.
Is that blue wire down to there? Let's see what happens. So I think we got a bad fan motor. I think we got a bad fan motor. Oh, I got a bad fuse. I forgot about that. Let me go grab a fuse. Okay, let's see what happens. What are you talking about, man?
Vintage can't be old, can you?
I don't know, maybe because his had a bad fuse next door. You guys have a power surge or something?
Not that I know of, but you know, but I don't know about the other one. There's been a lot of issues.
Yeah, a few years back, I remember the whole. How long have you lived here for?
I moved in, well, I bought it at the end of December, September 1st. I'm still.
Oh, like a few years before, there was a huge. They had the transformer out front.
Yeah.
It blew, and Larry, he's got a surge protector on his.
Yeah.
That thing just blew right off.
Wow.
Yeah, it was quite a sight, but his unit was okay.
Well, that's a good thing. But I bet I don't have a surge.
No.
Yeah, I kind of figured that. So, when I do a new one, I should have a surge protector.
Yeah, I recommend surge protectors with all my new stuff. Just the power is so unpredictable. Well, that one we got a 2-for-1. It's kind of strange, but first one that was a loose connection. Second one, I don't know what it was. It was just a bad fuse. Everything was up and running. I let it run for like 20 minutes. Nothing. It's still good to go. Old heat controller. Geez, probably from, had to have been from the mid to late 80s. Still pumping away though. Looks like all original. Maybe the condenser fan motor was replaced at one time, but original capacitor, old PCB capacitor, and original contactor, and look really good condition. So he wants to upgrade pretty soon, so we'll give him a price and go from there. But that was a 2-for-1. They're right next door to each other because I was down at the Ford dealership and he's like, oh yeah, I'm having problems with the AC, and all of a sudden they send me a call and it's like right next door to his house. So there you go. Just taking care of customers today. Alright, you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, the Amazon wish list for my son going through cancer. He appreciates everything. I do appreciate everything. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you.